session or today's video is specially for all the gorgeous women out there. On the onset of International Women's Day, this special video only for you all, my dear dazzling divas. So we all women are everywhere around. Like we are just like the Ashtabhuja Narayani and doing all the multitasking efficiently. Like right from us looking after our businesses or going to office or taking care of our family, doing all the day-to-day chores, looking after our children, dropping them to schools, etc, etc, etc. So we are everywhere, and in all this hustle bustle of our day-to-day life, somewhere around the corner we forget to take care of our own self. Isn't it true? So how about adopting some beauty regime, some beautiful course, and that would be the most beautiful way to indulge or to celebrate this special day of yours, the International Women's Day. And so I am here today to reveal to you some beauty tips, some things that you can add in your routine today or on that special day of yours, so that you can explore the beauty within you, outside you, and you can rediscover yourself. That's what I am here for today. So let's begin with beauty tip number 1. So as you wake up on Monday morning, that is on 8th March, as you wake up, what you're going to do first is go and stand in front of the mirror and look at yourself in the mirror. What do you see? Sleepy eyes, puffy face, and a mess of your hair. You are a total bunch of chaos and mess, isn't it? Now, only one single tip is going to make up for all this mess. What is that? Smile. Just put up a broad smile starting from this end to that end, and then this entire chaos will be full of beauty. That's my first tip to make yourself look beautiful. See, it is not in our hands with what type of face we will have, what type of eyes we will have. We may not have a beautiful smile like Madhuri, or we may not have beautiful cheeks, not a beautiful figure like Katrina, or whatever it is. We may not have all these things, but what we have in our hands is to radiate with inner beauty, to smile our best smile, to show the best reflection of our character. That's what is in our hands. So we begin our day, if possible, every single day with this broad smile, and see what a beautiful day you will have ahead of you. So this is the first tip that I want to give all my female friends out there. The second tip for the day is, now you have to take care and make sure that this Women's Day will be special for you, and this day is totally for yourself. So make sure you don't have any hurry, any hustle bustle, no commitments, no preparing breakfast or going to office, or no such commitments, and make sure you have all the free time only for yourself. This day you are going to give only for yourself. Okay, then only there's a point in all these things. So next thing that you have to do after you start with that smile, you freshen up and you go out for a morning walk. Go out in the nature, get connected with the beauty around, and go out for a stroll. If you have some beautiful friends like you along, nothing like it, so make a suhaga. And then as you breathe in the fresh air and connect with the nature around, you will find yourself flowing with gratitude, flowing with abundance, flowing with beauty. As you watch all the mountains around you, or the trees around you, the moon, the sun, or the birds, everything that you see around you, what you realize is that all these things are totally imperfect, isn't it? Everything around us is so imperfect in nature, and yet they all seem so beautiful and so perfect, picture perfect, isn't it? And they create such a beautiful scenery around us. So that realization is going to make you feel beautiful about yourself. So go out in the nature, connect with the nature around, and after you finish your walk, you're going to do some yoga. Connect with your body, mind and soul. Do some stretches and feel one with your body. That's what yoga does for you. So do some yogasanas, stretchings, and maybe a few Surya Namaskars will help you out. Whatever it is, just go for it. And then for glowing skin and to age gracefully, I won't say we can prevent aging, but if you can age gracefully, that's the best thing that can happen to any one of us. So for that, you can do some face yogas every day. Okay, so if you don't know all about it, we'll soon be posting a special video on facial exercises, facial yoga, which will help you for a glowing skin and for face tightening and having less wrinkles and aging gracefully. So that's what facial yoga will do for you. So stay in tune for this video. Now, next thing that you do is go for pranayam and meditate for at least 15 minutes. Give yourself that me time. Meditate for 15 minutes. And that will make your fitness regime complete. Okay, now going ahead with the next tip. Next beauty tip for you is indulge in a relaxing and revitalizing massage. You can use lavender oil or jojoba oil, similar aroma oils along with some essential oils, and you can apply them all over your body and give yourself that relaxing massage. Now you need not go to a spa to do this. If you can, it's well and good, but you can always do it at home. What you just need to do is take the warm oil and just apply it all over your body. Now the movement should be that when you apply the oil, the movement should be from the extremities towards the heart. The direction of the massage should be in that type. And for all your joints, you do it in the circular fashion. So wherever the joints are there, you have to apply the oil in circular method. For the face, just remember the stroke should be upwards. Okay, so that's the way you can do the massage, and just indulge in that relaxing and rejuvenating yourself, giving yourself that, pampering yourself with that spa feel, with that rejuvenating feel with the massage. After you finish with the massage, you are going to gift yourself a relaxing bath. I am very sure in your day-to-day hurry and hustle bustle, your day-to-day activities, you may never be finding time for a relaxing bath. You are always in a hurry to just finish off, कैसे भी करके ख़त्म कर लो, and just dress up and go to the office or go for work or go to drop your children or whatever it is. So you have always been in a hurry and never found that time to for yourself to indulge in a luxurious bath. Take that feel today. Make sure if you have a tub bath, go for it. put in all the rose petals if you can, and warm water and aroma oils. And for your bath, I would suggest you to use a rose based soap bar, or best another option would be a lavender salt scrub. Okay, so that is also very beautiful and wonderful. So the salts, what they do is they remove all the toxins out of your body, they remove all the stress, and they make you feel totally revitalized. So rose, of course, it has antioxidant qualities, and it helps you to remove all the toxins from your body. So any of these you can use for a luxurious bath, and indulge in that bath, enjoy that bath, give lots of time under that shower, and add some lights, add some music to it if you can, and sing along as you have all the time in the world for your bath. सजना है मुझे आज मेरे लिए, जरा उलझी लटे सवार दूं, हर अंग का रंग निखार दूं कि सजना है मुझे आज मेरे लिए, सजना है मुझे. So give yourself that time and attention. That's the thing that is required. Okay, now some more tips to make your day special. Okay, now that you have finished your bath, make sure you follow all the daily routine or the daily things that I have told you to add in the day-to-day regime, like your cleansers, your toners, your moisturizers, serums at night, vitamin C serum during your night time. And if you're going out, make sure you use proper sunscreens with proper SPF factor. That all you're going to add in your day-to-day routine, daily routine, and make sure you keep your skin protected, and you pamper your skin with all those cosmetics. The next thing that you have to remember is hydration. Drink lots of water, 8 to 10 glasses of water minimum throughout the day, and give a dash of vibrant colors in your food. Make sure you have lots of fruits and fresh vegetables in your diet today and every day, of course. That's the best way to, best gift you can give to yourself, best natural gift. Alright, so along with this, now I want to tell you all is, when you are doing all your day-to-day activities, when you are going out and outside into the world, make sure you have a smile on your face, lots of warmth, lots of positivity, a positive energy and attitude that you carry along with you. Your head always high, your body posture always upright, and yet full of gratitude that you carry along with yourself. Whomever you meet them with lots of joy, lots of warmth, lots of love, and radiate love, beauty, care from within. Lots of kindness, grace you carry along with you. And when you move around like that, you will see all the people are just looking at you fully awestruck, because now you are radiating beauty, you are radiating kindness, you are radiating love inside out. And that's what I wish for all of you. So if you want to become that dazzling diva, if you want to glow in health, if you want to radiate beauty, then make sure the beauty comes from within. It is portrayed in your character, in your personality, in your every kind act that you do. So along with the external factors, if you add in those internal factors too, you will be the most beautiful woman for all your loved ones, for all the people around you. So on this International Women's Day, on behalf of Team Radiance, we wish you a happy International Women's Day. And give yourself that time, indulge in your care for your skin, care for your hair, care for your internal health. Go for monthly treatments. That at least that itna to banta hai, right? We have on Women's Day, we have some exclusive offers, discounts, especially for all you females out there. And go and grab that opportunity, avail that gifts, and make your day special. So you can see them on the screen. So once again, wishing you all a happy, happy, happy Women's Day. Lots of love and stay in tune. Thank you.